Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload your pictures or some homework. It can be like PowerPoint for other lessons. But for my lesson, I wanted you to take photos of your notebooks and send me from the Google Classroom. So I will do it over 10 Google Classroom account. So this is the way that a teacher sees it. So you will enter this code if you are in 10A. You will enter this code in your Google Classroom. So in your Google Classroom, how do you open Google Classroom? In Google, you write just Google Classroom and you just go open this and say continue if you have some other video. So if you don't have any Google Classroom before, it asks you to create one. So anyway, I'm gonna do it over here. I will click on join. When you click on join, it asks you code. You can find these codes in my Zekaria Kayamat site. You can find the codes for every class. So then in here you say join. So when you join this class, it will directly appear over there, which is classes. You see 10A math class. You will open this class and you will see the posts that I made before. And then today's lesson is 320. So you enter that today's lesson. Look, when you enter here, you don't get something like that. It is happening for the first time when you enter. So there writes your work, what you did about this homework, this assignment, which is done for you. So you add and something, or you just mark it as done. If you do mark as done, so you don't send me anything. You should add something. So you click add file. First, for this case, if you are using it from PC, first you should install your pictures to your computer, then upload, select files from my computer. So let's go to pictures part. Let's select a few pictures, capture one. So keep pressing control button if you have many pictures. I'm going to send capture one, capture three, two and three. So you just enter them all and you say upload. If you want to add more different pictures, you can continue in there. Look, it took me here. So after you add things, you can say turn in, or you can add some more things even after this page. When you say turn in, I will be able to see these pictures in my own account. Let's go back to my own account, classwork. I'm going to see this assignment. Is there anyone who turned in? Yes, there's one person, which is Matt, the other account that I have been using. So I will see the pictures that you sent to me in here. I will check them. I will look for, perhaps I will even install it on my computer, then delete again. So I will check them one by one from here. So then I will check the picture 2, capture 2, then capture 3. I will check them all one by one. That's all. I will also make another video for phone.